Hello, my name is Scott Felber, and welcome to this how-to video on how to characterize your NX data. To characterize NX data, what we do is we take an NX 3D model that has PMI already applied to it, and then using the NX Inspector tool, we go ahead and apply those characteristics to the data. What we will see here is we have a flange part that already has all the PMI applied to it, whether it's some of the profile dimensions, the locating tolerances, the notes, or the surface finish. They're all applied into their certain views. Once we have a complete model with PMI onto it, we then go into the NX Inspector application. In the NX Inspector application, we will then be able to apply the characteristics in a couple of different ways. I'm going to use the select all by setting my base number and then just selecting them all. If I wanted certain characteristics to have certain numbers, I would pick them in the order I want. But by selecting them all and looking at the designators, I can now see the product characteristic tags on all of my PMI. For instance, if we go look at the holes up on the top, the 8x of diameter 8, there's 8 separate instances. This is the key to characteristics of keeping track of separate instances across the entire cycle of the part. Now, by selecting all, it also did select all of the other PMI that's in all the other views that was not seen at the time. Here's all the product character instances for our form and finish. Now, characterization works just like any other modeling part in 3D. If, for instance, if we change the diameter of the hole from 8 to 6 millimeters, the PMI will update. Well, then also the characteristic on product characteristic tag 110 for that diameter will also update. This is how you can keep your model up to date while you're doing design changes and early concept designs. Now that we have all our characteristics defined and ready to go, the easiest way to get them into Team Center is just save them into Team Center. After all the characteristics have been saved into Team Center, we can go take a look now of how we can consume these. For instance, if we go look at the flange we've been working on, in Team Center now, we notice it has what is the bill of characteristics. This bill of characteristics can now be used for certain applications such as manufacturing and quality. So what do we see here? We saw that if you have a model that has complete PMI on it, we are then able to take that PMI, characterize that PMI into product characteristics, publish that characteristic out to Team Center, and then we'll be able to use it for downstream consumption into manufacturing and quality applications. Once again, thank you for your time.